If you have a big body Benz and your steering wheel's wiggling around a little bit, you probably need one of these. Hey YouTube, Nate Vincent here to do a really quick product review. All right, so here we have a torque strut from what I would call a big body Mercedes. So this is mostly E-Class. This will be your SLCs, your SL 500s. These are all your big body Mercedes. So this goes forward in the front subframe, bolts on here, and this will go to the bottom of your strut. These bushings tend to wear out. They let the wheel move forward and aft. They kind of let your car get misaligned, all that sort of stuff. And honestly, they're kind of a pain to press out of here. So FC Puro and the people at Lemforder, owned by Zia, those guys, have helped us out. They put everything together in a nice little package where you get the left side and the right side, the hardware associated with it, all in one shot. So some symptoms of a bad torque strut are going to be steering wheel wiggling under braking, or misalignment by when your car hits sort of bumps and curbs in the road, pulling from one side to the other. Basically what's happening is your struts are moving a little bit and your alignment's moving around in the front. These are going to solve most of those problems. This is an absolutely necessary part of a front suspension refresh on these cars, and there's no better place to get them than FC Puro. That has been another really quick product review. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you like the content and click the bell.